Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete downloaded videos on Netflix app. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that, click on the icon on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go to the option called download. And in this option, you can go to the downloaded movie or series. And after that, you click on the pen on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is X icon that appeared. You have just to click on it, and like that, you will delete any downloaded videos on Netflix app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.